be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Roblox account. So Roblox is a free-to-play game which is available for Android, iOS, PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. Alright, so it's a pretty fun game, and you can play it cross-platform as well. And a lot of people play it nowadays. And there's two type of Roblox you can log in into. So the first one is going to be the browser version, where you go to roblox.com and log in. The other one is gonna be your, the app version, which is this Roblox, as you guys can see over here. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do it in both one. The browser version, you wanna go to roblox.com. Once you go to roblox.com over here, wait for some time. Now once you're over here on roblox.com, you wanna click on versus login at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on login, it's gonna take you to the login page. Over here, you can enter your username or your email or your phone number, whichever thing you find comfortable. So I'm just going to enter my username over here. Entering a username where it says password, enter the password of your account. So I'm going to enter the password of my account and click on login. And if the username and password I entered over here is correct, I should be able to log in into my account just like this. Now for the app version, you can open your Roblox app on your desktop, and you can easily download Roblox from your Microsoft Store. Alright. Now once Roblox open up just like this, what you want to do is click on versus login. If you want to create an account, you can click on sign up, alright? And enter your username over here. I've already done that. And where it says password, enter the password of your account. So I'm going to enter the password of my account over here and click on login. And I should be able to log in into my account. And you can click on forgot password or username at the bottom as well if you forgot your password or username. But that's basically how you guys can log in into your Roblox in both the app